Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy in the Potatso Lite app on iOS. Let's get started. Download the Potatso Lite app from the App Store. It's free. Launch the application. You'll be greeted by the Add a Proxy button. Click on it to proceed. You can choose from different formats for adding a proxy, but I'll show you the manual one. In the Type section, select the protocol you want to use. I'll choose SOCKS 5. In the Host field, enter the IP address of your proxy. In the field below, add the port number. Since I've selected SOCKS 5, my port is 50101. If you're using a free proxy, you won't need a username and password. However, if it's a private proxy, go to the Authentication section and select Password. Enter your authorization data here. After filling out the required information, click Save. In the main menu of the application, select your configured proxy and click on the Proxy Launch button on the right side of the screen. That's it. Your proxy is now connected and ready to use. Your setup is complete. I'd like to emphasize that using free proxies may not guarantee your online security and anonymity and could result in being blocked. For a more secure and anonymous online experience, consider purchasing a private proxy. That's where our company, Proxy-Seller, comes in. We offer 100% online anonymity, security, performance guarantees for your specific needs, and 24/7 customer support. Check the description below for a 10% discount promotional code and a link to the website. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.